tawa and pour oil, required oil, and I'll put mustard seeds, uruth, red chillies required, chopped ginger, chopped corriander leaves, curry leaves, chopped onions, required salt. So all together, I'm going to do. Yeah, whatever the items we have put inside the tawa is fried, I'm going to add chopped onions in this. I'm frying this. After that, I'm pouring water. I'll be pouring water. 1 tumbler rava, two and a half tumbler water I'll add along with that. Yes, everything is fried. The Bengal gram is frying very beautifully. I'm going to pour 2.5 tumbler of water for 1 tumbler of this Bengal gram wheat rava. Yeah, the water is boiling and gives good onion aroma, which I feel so hungry. Now I'm going to pour this 1 tumbler of this Bengal gram wheat rava, and I'll stir with ladle. A spoon of ghee I'm going to apply for making it more taste. This is also secret ingredient. Yes. Wow, what a nice texture of upma has become ready. Bengal gram wheat rava upma. For this, kadamba sambar is the side dish. It is for dinner.